Have you ever dreamed of owning a tiny or tower home? Welcome to the fascinating world of tiny and tower homes, where less is more and height is might. In our fast-paced and ever-evolving world, many of us are redefining what a home means. We're choosing to ditch the traditional bricks and mortar for something a little more unconventional. Two trends that have caught the world's attention are tiny homes and tower homes, each offering a unique allure that's shaking up the way we live. Minimalistic living is more than just a buzzword. It's a lifestyle choice that's gaining momentum. Tiny homes, with their compact and efficient spaces, are at the forefront of this movement. These pint-sized dwellings offer a refreshing take on home living, challenging the notion that bigger is always better. Here, every square inch counts, and the result is a home that is as functional as it is cozy. It's about simplifying life, decluttering not just our spaces but our minds, and focusing on what truly matters. But let's swing the pendulum the other way. Tower homes, tall and majestic, offer a completely different allure. These homes stretch towards the sky, offering breathtaking panoramic views from every level. Living in a tower home is about embracing the vertical and experiencing life from a new perspective. It's about feeling on top of the world, right from the comfort of your living room. Interestingly, both tiny and tower homes share a common thread. They're a testament to human creativity and our ability to adapt and thrive in any given space. They're about breaking the mold, pushing boundaries, and creating a living space that is uniquely ours. So, whether you're drawn to the charm of tiny living or the grandeur of a tower home, there's a prefab option that's perfect for you. The choice is yours. Will you go tiny or will you go towering? But before we delve deeper, what exactly are prefab homes? Prefab, short for prefabricated homes, are an innovative solution in the world of architecture and construction. These are not your run-of-the-mill houses. They are meticulously designed, carefully crafted, and thoughtfully assembled. But the real magic lies in their creation process. Imagine this. Instead of the traditional on-site construction, these structures are built off-site. That's right. Every piece, every panel, every little detail is constructed in a controlled environment, away from the elements and potential on-site complications. This method significantly reduces construction time, making prefab homes the epitome of efficiency. But it doesn't stop there. This process also minimizes waste. With precision engineering and detailed planning, materials are used to their fullest potential, reducing leftovers and contributing to a more sustainable building practice. We're talking about a win-win situation for homeowners and the environment. Now you might be thinking, prefab homes, are they all the same? Absolutely not. The beauty of prefab homes is in their versatility. They come in a vast array of styles and sizes, catering to diverse tastes and needs. Do you fancy a minimalist, space-saving design? There are tiny prefab homes waiting for you. Are you more into grandeur and luxury? Towering structures with multiple levels and expansive spaces can be yours, all prefabricated. The variety doesn't just stop at the size. From the exterior finishes to the interior decor, from the layout to the fixtures, prefab homes offer a plethora of customization options. Whether you're into modern aesthetics or you prefer a rustic charm, there's a prefab design that will tickle your fancy. Prefab homes are not just about efficiency and variety, they are about accessibility too. With the rise of online platforms and digital solutions, your dream dwelling is no longer confined to blueprints and construction timelines. It is right there on your screen, ready to be ordered, delivered, and assembled. With a prefab home, your dream dwelling is just a few clicks away. Now let's turn our attention to the world of tiny homes. The appeal of tiny homes is multifaceted, and it's not just about the size. It's about a lifestyle, a conscious choice to simplify and streamline. The first and possibly the most obvious allure of these diminutive dwellings is their affordability. Without the need for expansive floor plans or grandiose architectural designs, tiny homes are a financially accessible option for many who wish to own a home without the burden of a hefty mortgage. But the charm of tiny homes goes beyond just the price tag. They embody a philosophy of sustainability that's increasingly appealing in our eco-conscious age. Built with a smaller footprint, they require fewer resources to construct and maintain. Many models incorporate clever design features like solar panels or rainwater collection systems, making them not just cheaper, but greener too. Moreover, tiny homes are a testament to the freedom from material possessions. While they may not have room for a walk-in wardrobe or a sprawling kitchen, they offer a different kind of luxury, the luxury of simplicity. They encourage a more mindful lifestyle, where every item has its place and purpose. This isn't just a home, it's an exercise in intentional living. And don't think for a second that choosing a tiny home means skimping on style or comfort. The market is brimming with prefab tiny home models that are as chic as they are compact. From rustic cabins to sleek, modern lofts, there's a tiny home to suit every aesthetic. These homes are designed to maximize every inch of space, often with innovative, multifunctional furniture and smart storage solutions. For those looking to dip their toes into the tiny home trend, prefab models are a great place to start. They offer the convenience of a ready-made home, with the added benefit of being able to customize it to your personal taste and needs. Tiny homes prove that good things do indeed come in small packages. From the tiny, we move to the towering. Welcome to the world of tower homes. As we ascend from the cozy confines of tiny houses, we find ourselves in the realm of the grand and the magnificent, the tower homes. Tower homes are a testament to the limitlessness of human imagination and the ability to create truly extraordinary living spaces. What makes tower homes so appealing? Well, where do we begin? Firstly, there's the view. Tower homes offer expansive, panoramic views that are simply unparalleled. Whether it's a breathtaking cityscape, a serene ocean view, or a majestic mountain range, the higher vantage point of a tower home provides a visual feast that is a sight to behold. But it's not just about the view. The unique aesthetic of tower homes is another major draw. With their sleek and modern lines, these structures stand as shining beacons of contemporary architecture. They are a bold statement, a reflection of one's taste for the avant-garde and the extraordinary. And let's not forget about the variety of floor plans available. From single-floor studios to multi-level masterpieces, there's a tower home for everyone. Whether you prefer open-concept living or compartmentalized spaces, you'll find a floor plan that suits your lifestyle and needs. As we delve into the world of prefab tower homes, we find some truly remarkable models in the market. There's the Skyview, a 3-story marvel with floor-to-ceiling windows that allow you to soak in the view from every angle. Then there's the Horizon, a 2-story stunner with a rooftop terrace for those starlit soirees. The beauty of tower homes lies in their ability to offer a luxurious and spacious living experience without compromising on the convenience and ease of prefab construction. They are a perfect blend of style, functionality, and innovation. So, if you're looking for a home that's a cut above the rest, a home that lets you live life on your own terms, then a tower home might just be what you're looking for. With tower homes, you get to experience living life on a grand scale. So, you're intrigued by both tiny and tower homes. But how do you choose? This is indeed a fascinating dilemma, isn't it? Well, there are a few key factors to ponder over before you make your decision, and we're here to help you sort through them. Let's start with lifestyle. Are you a minimalist at heart who cherishes simplicity and functionality over grandeur? If so, a tiny home might be your cup of tea. These compact abodes, with their clever design solutions, are perfect for those who wish to declutter their lives and live more sustainably. On the other hand, if you're someone who enjoys the hustle and bustle of city life, and the thought of panoramic city views from your living room gets your heart racing, a tower home could be your ideal choice. With multiple floors, these homes offer ample space for both privacy and socializing, not to mention the stunning vistas they offer. Next, we move on to budget. Tiny homes, by virtue of their size, are often more affordable than their towering counterparts. They require fewer materials to build, less energy to maintain, and even the land costs can be significantly lower. Tower homes, while they do come with a heftier price tag, offer more square footage and can accommodate larger families, or even house a home office or two. Location is another crucial aspect. If you're drawn to rural or suburban areas, a tiny home seamlessly blends into the landscape, causing minimal disruption to the environment. In contrast, tower homes are more suited for urban locales, where vertical space is the name of the game. Finally, personal preference plays a huge role. Some people are smitten by the charm and coziness of tiny homes, while others are enamored with the grandeur and stature of tower homes. Ultimately, the choice between a tiny or tower home comes down to what suits your lifestyle and dreams best. Whether you opt for the petite charm of a tiny home or the soaring majesty of a tower home, remember, it's all about creating a space that feels like home to you. You've made your choice. So how do you go about buying your prefab home? Let's dive into the process of acquiring this modern marvel. First things first, you'll need to select a reputable prefab manufacturer. There are plenty out there, each with their own unique designs and offerings. Look for those with a solid track record, glowing customer reviews, and a portfolio of designs that resonate with your personal aesthetics and functional needs. Once you've chosen a manufacturer, it's time to pick your model. Are you leaning towards a tiny abode or a towering spectacle? Each model comes with its own floor plan, square footage, and architectural features. Take your time to explore the possibilities and envision your life within these four walls. Now here comes the fun part: customization. Most manufacturers offer a range of options to personalize your prefab home. You might choose to add a rooftop terrace, a walk-in closet, or perhaps an open-plan kitchen for those who love to cook. You can also select your preferred finishes, from the flooring to the countertops and even the color of your exterior. It's all about creating a space that truly reflects who you are. The final step is assembly. Once your prefab home is manufactured and customized to your liking, it's shipped to your site for assembly. This process is a marvel to witness, as your home comes together like a life-size jigsaw puzzle. It's also much quicker than traditional construction, often taking just a few weeks. Bear in mind, however, that while the assembly process is quick, it doesn't mean you should rush into making a purchase. Take your time, do your research, and make informed decisions. After all, this is a significant investment, and it's going to be your home. And just like that, you're on your way to owning your dream home. So to recap, our journey today has taken us through the fascinating world of prefab homes, with a special focus on two distinct styles: the cozy, minimalist tiny homes and the sleek, modern tower homes. We've delved into the appeal of tiny homes, exploring their compact design, cost-effectiveness, and the freedom they offer to those yearning for a simpler, less cluttered lifestyle. They are about making the most of a small space, focusing on functionality and efficiency, without compromising comfort or style. Tiny homes are a testament to the adage that less is more, and have been gaining popularity among those seeking a sustainable and affordable housing option. On the other hand, we've also soared to the heights of tower homes, marveling at their innovative design, panoramic views, and the sense of luxury they bring. These homes are about making a statement, about standing tall and proud. They offer a unique perspective, literally and metaphorically, on what it means to live high up. Tower homes are ideal for urban settings where land is scarce, but the sky's the limit. We've discovered the many benefits of prefab construction, which includes reduced construction time, cost savings, and a smaller carbon footprint. These homes are built off-site in sections, then assembled on-site, making the construction process faster, cleaner, and more efficient than traditional building methods. However, choosing between a tiny and tower home is not a decision to be taken lightly. It requires careful consideration of your lifestyle, budget, location, and personal preferences. It's about finding a balance between what you need and what you want in a home. Whether you choose tiny or tower, prefab homes offer a unique, affordable, and sustainable way to live your dream. They represent a revolution in the housing industry, marrying design and technology to create homes that are not just buildings, but a reflection of who you are. So take your time, do your research, and when you're ready to take the leap into the world of prefab homes, remember, it's not about the size, it's about the life that you will live within. Whether you choose tiny or tower, prefab homes offer a unique, affordable, and sustainable way to live your dream.